Building wealth from nothing can feel like a huge mountain to climb, but it's absolutely doable with the right mindset and some strategic steps. Picture it as building a house. Each step is like laying down a brick. Consistency and smart planning make all the difference. First off, start by understanding where your money is going. Track your spending for a few months to see what you really need and what you can live without. Think of this as getting your foundation ready. When you know exactly where each dollar is headed, you're more likely to make choices that support your goals rather than spending mindlessly. Next, take on a savings-first mentality. Every paycheck, put aside a little, even if it's just $10 or $20. This is like planting seeds. Over time, these small amounts add up to something significant. Automation can be a huge help here. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts so it happens without you needing to think about it. Then, build a rainy day fund for emergencies. Start small. Maybe aim for $500, then $1,000. This buffer keeps you from falling into debt when unexpected costs come up, like a car repair or medical bill. Remember, emergencies are often what derail financial progress, so this step is essential. Now, look for ways to boost your income. While having a single income can get you started, adding an extra source of cash is like finding a fast-forward button. You could take on a side hustle like freelancing, tutoring, or gig economy jobs. Even a few hours a week can make a big impact over time, and it's all money you can use to either save or invest. Speaking of investing, learn the basics of how to make your money grow. You don't need to be an expert to start, but you do need to be informed. Look into simple, beginner-friendly investments like index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of these as money multipliers working in the background to grow your wealth over time. Keep in mind that compound interest is your best friend. It's like planting a tree that will grow and bear fruit year after year. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Interest payments are money out the window. If you have credit card debt or payday loans, focus on getting rid of these first because they drain your finances faster than anything else. Take time to invest in yourself, too. Building skills that can lead to higher-paying work or starting a business is one of the best investments you can make. Learn skills that are in demand, whether it's in tech, marketing, writing, or trades, and don't be afraid to take on projects or work that might stretch your abilities. Higher income potential means more resources to put toward building wealth. Surround yourself with like-minded people who are also working toward financial goals. Friends who are constantly spending or who don't value saving can pull you off track. But people who are focused on building wealth will inspire you and might even share tips or job opportunities that could help you grow. Remember, building wealth isn't a race. Consistency is more important than speed. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes that promise instant results, as they're usually too good to be true. Instead, focus on making gradual improvements to your finances each month. Next, have a long-term vision. Visualize what wealth means to you, whether that's buying a home, retiring comfortably, traveling, or helping family. This vision keeps you motivated, reminding you why each small step matters. Write down your goals or create a vision board to make them feel real. Think of your personal network as an asset. Connections can often lead to unexpected opportunities or insights you might miss otherwise. Networking doesn't have to mean fancy events or endless LinkedIn messages. It can be as simple as engaging genuinely with people in your community, field, or even online groups related to your goals. People are often willing to help those who show genuine curiosity and initiative. Build a habit of learning continuously, especially about finances. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, and follow people who are experts in wealth building. Becoming financially literate is crucial. It's like learning to read before writing a novel. With a solid understanding of how money works, you're equipped to make better choices with your earnings and investments. Consider setting financial goals in stages. First, aim for financial stability, which means having a steady income and an emergency fund. Next, focus on financial growth, where you're investing regularly and adding to your savings. Finally, aim for financial independence, where your investments and assets are working to cover your expenses. Breaking it down this way makes the process manageable and keeps you motivated. Challenge yourself to increase your savings rate. Every month, see if you can save just a little more than the month before. This doesn't mean cutting out all fun, but making mindful decisions that prioritize long-term goals. It could mean cooking at home instead of dining out, opting for a library card instead of buying books, or finding cost-effective hobbies. Over time, a higher savings rate translates into greater capital to invest. Use tax-advantaged accounts to grow your wealth. For example, if you're in the US, 401k accounts or IRAs allow you to save on a tax-deferred basis, which can compound your investments faster. Research the best options in your region, as these accounts are often one of the easiest ways to grow money without giving up as much to taxes. Live below your means, but in a way that still feels fulfilling. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of everything, but being thoughtful about expenses and ensuring every dollar has a purpose. Instead of thinking about what you're giving up, focus on what you're building: security, freedom, and future options. Build a wealth mindset. This means viewing yourself as capable of achieving financial success and reinforcing positive beliefs about money. Many people hold on to limiting beliefs, like thinking they'll never be wealthy or that wealth is only for a lucky few. Shift this mindset by regularly reflecting on your achievements, no matter how small. Cultivate gratitude for every financial step forward, as this builds a resilient attitude toward wealth building. Embrace side gigs as a way to experiment with skills and income streams. Trying out a few different gigs can give you insights into what works best for you and what has growth potential. Many people start with small, manageable side hustles: freelancing, tutoring, consulting, or even online reselling. Over time, this can evolve into a major income source or business. Aim to develop patience. Wealth building is often a long game, and the benefits compound over time. Recognize that the journey isn't about instant results, but sustainable growth. Each small step is progress, even if it doesn't feel significant in the moment. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As you start earning more, there's often a temptation to spend more. However, if you can keep your living costs consistent and put the extra earnings toward investments, you'll see your wealth accumulate much faster. Finally, keep a journal of your financial journey. Tracking your progress, even small wins like paying off a debt or hitting a savings goal, can keep you motivated. Reflect on what's working and what isn't. Over time, you'll see patterns, learn more about yourself, and have a record of how far you've come, something to look back on proudly as you continue growing wealth from nothing. By taking these steps, you're not just building wealth, you're creating financial security, peace of mind, and freedom to live life on your terms. Wealth built from nothing is even more rewarding because it's a testament to your discipline, perseverance, and smart choices. Just remember, each step brings you closer, so stay focused, stay patient, and trust in the journey.